So today I'm going to be making a scrunchie. It's pretty easy. All you need is a fabric of your choice. Make sure it's 5 inches right at the top and 14 inches down. Okay, so the second one is this. It looks like this. Really, you just need 7 inches of it. But sometimes I do a bit extra because then I can just pull it and make it the size I want. So the first step is, see how this side's darker than this side? So I'm going to fold it, the light side out in half and sew it right across there. Sew on the 5/8 line, right there, about there. And now I'm going to flip it inside out. Now I'm done flipping it inside out and it should look like this. So you're going to put this thing, since it's half the size, you're going to put a pin, safety pin on this side, clip it on, and just a regular pin on this side. So when you put it in, it catches it, and the safety pin can move it. I'll show it when it's through. When I'm done. Now, since I pulled this through, I'm gonna sew it at the very edge of it, and let go so it goes in. And I'll show you what you're gonna do after. Now that I'm done with that, you can see that, and I'm going to put them together, overlap that one, and sew over the middle, and you're done. Let me show it to you when I'm done again. Okay, now that I'm done, it's super cool, it's super easy, and here I have a scrunchie.